How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Hi everyone, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So the first thing you can do is open up Instagram and go to the messages section at the right side of your screen. Now once you have done that, you can find the little pencil or the edit icon at the top right corner to create a new message. And here you can start AI chats, create group chats, and if you have a eligibility to create broadcast channel, if you complete all of the requirements, you'll find an option to create a broadcast channel here as well. So let me show you guys what the requirements are. Now, in order to create a broadcast channel here, you need to have a specific account type. So you must have a creator or a business account that is a professional account. Your follower count needs to be minimum of 10,000 followers, and your account's status should be in a good standing and not have any recent violations in Instagram's community guidelines. Then your content history must be engaging, as well as your app version. Your Instagram app must be updated to its latest version. Now, all you have to do is navigate your area to DM sections, tap and compose write a message button on the top right, and then select create channels. You could also edit the channel details, including the name, audience, and the end date. Now you can just tap on create and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.